Hey guys, today let's try to fix Spotify or your Spotify is playing random songs. So if in the case that your Spotify is playing random songs, I want you guys to double check if you have the shuffle button turned on. Because if you do have this shuffle button turned on, of course it is going to shuffle through the playlist and is also going to play some of the random songs that you don't normally hear. But if in the case that you are playing a specific playlist, so let's say you are playing your top playlist that you have or created on this application, could actually proceed with tapping on this shuffle button for it to shuffle through different musics. So once you go on over to the queue, so let's say for example I'm going to play this song over here, and when I go on over to the queue, it is going to go ahead and recommend me different types of song related to the current track that I'm playing on this playlist. If you don't want that to happen, make sure that your shuffle is turned off and basically turn off smart shuffle so that all of your queue is just going to play the songs on your playlist. Essentially, that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.